How to turn on save passwords on Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on save passwords on your Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google. Now click on those 3 points up there and click on setting. Scroll down and you have the second option, which is password. Click on it and turn on the first option, which is save password, and this is it. So this is it guys, it's so easy and quick. So hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.